Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a really lovely little Honda CB125 Twin. It's a twin 125cc engine, as the name would suggest. So that's 2 cylinders, 2 plugs, spark plugs. But a nice little bike overall. Very low mileage. What we've done is we've kind of just got everything up and running, engine, everything like that. Everything that needs to be kind of done to get it to a spec where it can be sold, and we've left it to either the next person that they either want to do a full recommission of it, want to leave it as original as possible. They do whatever they want to do with it, they can do, but it's up and ready to ride, ready to rock as it is. So front tire is good, front mudguard, you can see some these would probably do with good bit of detailing to get them to come back up again. Front disc brake is good though. We have some cracking in the front dust covers here, but there's no leaking from the actual front shock itself. Dual horn setup, which is actually really good. The sound from the horn is excellent. Large big front headlamp is in really nice condition. 2 original indicators. And Japanese ones, the little ones, they have only 3,500 kilometers on a single key from Honda. We have all the gear, switch gear like that. Here's the tank, which is kind of, as you can see, just been obviously sat out, or whatever's happened to it has happened to it. But it's in a really nice running order. Again, everything like this, even the exhausts are pretty good. Side panels. It's a good straight bike overall. Seat is good, really good, no rips or tears in it. Rear light is really nice, 84. The rear mudguard has not been chopped, which is most of them have been, and it has a rear reflector on it. Rear tire is okay. Chain is good as well. And this side is much of the same throughout. You can see a little bit of a dent here in the right hand side of the tank. Stickers and all that are looking good. Some pitting in the chrome fuel cap. But overall, like I said, she is what she is. Good running bike. You'll see she runs really nicely. Beautiful to ride, much smoother than a single, obviously. And that's it for the walk around. Let's go for a ride. Okay, on to the next bike, Honda CB125 Twin. Lovely bike to ride, very smooth, economical, everything you'd want. This one, as I said, nice and original and true to itself. Clutch in, ignition on, and press the start button. Starts up very nicely. Again, I said mechanically this bike is absolutely superb. I'll turn the choke off shortly. Sorry, I've just come from a YV1, it was all the gears down, so please bear with me while I get accustomed to riding this bike. And away we go. Oh, I'm just all over the place here. Now, away we go. First thing you'll notice, nice easy riding position. Your legs aren't really in any sort of aggressive stance. You're very flat on the bike. Turn that choke off. It sounds pretty good. It revs up to 12,000, which is pretty amazing. All these bikes from these early 80s. I nearly cut out on her there. I nearly stalled it, I should say. Probably needs still a small bit of choke. But yeah, from the 80s, these bikes are amazing with the way they rev, where they keep going. I mean, I cannot see a thing. I don't know what you can see on the camera. I'll just block the sun here. Probably needed a tinted visor for this. But we'll come up to the top, do a spin around, and try not to kill this cyclist. But he seems to be doing the same run as me. Try overtake him here. Anyway, really nice bike to ride, going through all the gears nicely, all the switch gear and everything feels good, clutch feels really nice, suspension feels good, I'm not up and down like a yo-yo, or I'm not banging, so suspension feels good. And indicate here. But if you have been watching the video up until now, it'd be greatly appreciated if you could like, comment and subscribe. There'll be plenty more videos coming with bikes in the future. I'll come around this corner here and turn left, and what we'll do is sit the bike up so you can see what she looks like on the ground, or on the road I should say, from kind of a further distance. We know people like to see that. Bike's been looked over again mechanically, it's absolutely perfect, riding really nicely as you can see. I'll just pull her up here on the left hand side, let her idle as well, you can hear that. I'll pull down the choke as well. So, very, very nice Honda CB125 Twin. So that's her. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you do want to see more videos again, you can do the same. If you want to reach out to us about any of our bikes or anything, or have a look at our stock, we're on Facebook at Retrobikes Dublin, as well as Instagram with the same, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.